thing that changed my economy picking wasn't a new technique. It was this: 5 notes, 2 strings. When you're ascending, your pick slants forward, leaning into the string. Think about how you hold a pen. That's your grip. Light, controlled. Descending, you flip the pick angle, slants upward towards yourself, and the phrase changes too, coming down from the high E into the B string. Two phrases, one for each direction. Now run them. We're just moving through a fragment of E Lydian, but this is where economy picking actually lives, not in the big sweeping runs. In here. Once it's comfortable, add a string, complete the phrase. Patreon's in the description if you want to go deeper. See you in the next one.